Workouts are carried out for a variety of reasons. Some people aim to bulk up to the point where their shirt sleeves bulge, while others seek to reach performance goals. However, practically everyone exercises in some way in trying to be healthier, which means they work up a sweat and burn calories. Start with the following exercises to hammer the dozens of muscles between your shoulders and hips and rev your metabolism at the same time. Push-up, one of my personal favorites, is the world's most popular exercise. You'll never get tired with the push-up because it has so many variations and requires no equipment. Push-ups work the chest and core at the same time when done correctly. It's essentially a moving plank that works the pectorals. As a result, it's an exceptionally significant fat-burning workout. The kettlebell swing is one of the most effective calorie-burning exercises ever devised. Bend at the hips and hold a kettlebell down in front of you with both hands at arm's length. Hike the kettlebell between your legs by leaning back slightly. Then tighten your glutes and powerfully propel your hips forward, swinging the weight to shoulder height. Rep the move between your legs in the opposite direction. You should work as many muscles as possible if you want to lose weight. The burpee accomplishes this. The intense workout, which involves jumping from a push-up to a leap and then back to a push-up, works every muscle in the body from head to toe. The College of Sports Medicine discovered that 10 fast-paced reps are just as beneficial as a 30-second all-out sprint at boosting your metabolism. Squats aid in fat burning by encouraging your blood to circulate and pump throughout your entire body. Because this increase in circulation necessitates the use of energy, the body will use whatever energy it has available to pump the blood through. This is how your body allows you to burn fat more quickly, because fat is used to provide the energy your body requires to do the squat. Battle ropes can provide a lengthy list of physical and mental benefits. When you're tired of lifting weights, the weight of combat ropes can help you gain size and strength, while the dynamic resistance allows you to lose fat and define your body. Consider a mountain climber to be a moving plank. When you draw one leg into your chest explosively, you accomplish a little crunch. What makes this technique so tough is that every time you lift a foot off the floor, your core needs to work extra to maintain your body upright and straight. The lunge is a classic unilateral leg workout that works nearly every muscle in your leg, and as you start walking, you'll raise your heart rate as well. When lunging, keep your posture in mind, especially if you're adding weight to the activity. The deadlift is another big, heavy lift that can help you lose weight. The multi-joint workout engages your entire body, especially your posterior chain and lower body, and the effort required to lift the weight off the floor jump-starts your metabolism. If you do deadlifts correctly with heavy loads, you'll reap the biggest advantages. Start by improving your speed skipping form for brief periods of time, 2 minutes at most, to get a full body workout with a lot of fat burning potential. Once you've mastered the basics, you'll have access to a plethora of jump rope exercises and workouts. Try some high-intensity interval routines with the rope to reap even more fat-burning advantages. Med-ball slams are a great exercise for when you're having a bad day. You're not only burning fat here, you're also burning tension, anger, boredom, and whatever else is irritating you as you slam the ball as hard as humanly could into the ground. Use your complete body to perform the action, elevating the ball above your head and rising up on your toes, then slamming it back down with your core, hips, and arms. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome videos.